Hello student, today we are going to start lesson number 1, the living world adaptation and classification part 2. In part 1, we have learned the adaptation in the plants. In this video, we will learn the adaptation in the animals. Adaptation in aquatic animals. The aquatic animals shows a modified structure of body, tapering spindle-shaped body with scale and fins for swimming. Respiration by gills, air bladders within the body for floating. For example, fish. Adaptation in amphibians. Amphibians are the animals that can live in the water as well as on the land. For example, frog. Frog is an amphibian which can live in the water as well as on the land. It can breathe in water with the help of skin, and when on the land, it breathes with the nose and lungs. Adaptations in frog. Webbed toes, powerful hind legs, slimy, slippery and smooth skin, triangular head, double mode of breathing are the adaptations in the frog. Adaptation in forest and grassland animals. Carnivorous animals like wild dog, fox, tiger and lion have strong legs to run fast and capture their prey. They have claws and their canine teeth are sharp and pointed. Tigers have padded paws. This enables them to silently stalk their prey and capture it easily. The eyes of predatory carnivores are located in the front of their head. It helps them to spot their prey from a long distance. The eyes of herbivores are below the forehead on either side of the head. These give them wide-angle vision which helps to protect them from predators. Their legs are long and tapering with strong hooves which enable them to run fast, taking long leaps. Their long and freely moving ears can receive sound from long distance and different directions. For example, deer and black bucks have colors that merge with their surroundings. Their teeth are strong for chewing tough plant material. Adaptation in desert animals. For example, camel. Desert animals have a thick skin to prevent loss of water from the body. Their legs are long with flat and cushioned soles. The nostrils are protected by folds of skin. The eyelashes are long and thick. Rats, snakes, spiders, lizards in desert live in the deep burrows during daytime and are active at night. Adaptation in animals of snowy region. A white or silvery body color, long, thick hairs on the skin are typical characteristics of animals of snowy region. Yak, polar bear, white fox, silver fox, mountain goat are the examples of the animals in snowy region. Adaptation in aerial animals. The spindle-shaped body of birds also minimize the resistance of air while flying. With hollow bones, a body covering of feathers, and modification of foreleg into wings, their body is light in weight and adapted for flying. The body of insect also is light in weight and tapers at both ends. They can fly with 2 pairs of wings and also walk with 6 stick-like legs. Adaptation in reptiles. Animals like house lizard, garden lizard, crocodile use their muscles for creeping. Similarly, they shows adaptation in skin, soles of feet, body color, etc. For example, the house lizard and monitor lizard have clawed toes and thin soles, whereas snakes have a scaly skin. Adaptation for blending with surrounding. We cannot easily spot colorful butterflies, lizards and grasshoppers. They get camouflage amidst grasses, parts of plant like stem, leaves, flowers, etc. That is because their colors blend with those of their surroundings.